Welcome to the Central Waqf UMEED Portal, which empowers users by offering a centralized digital platform to manage Waqf property data. After successfully enrolling details of Waqf properties, we are at the last step of declaration. Here are some additional Waqf details to declare. Please note, you have to select either yes or no option for the following questions. A. Have you been convicted more than once of an offence punishable under Section 61 penalties? Section 64 1B. B. Have you been convicted of an offence of criminal breach of trust or any other offence involving moral turpitude, and such conviction has not been reversed and he has not been granted full pardon with respect to such offence, and he has not been granted full pardon with respect to such offence? Section 64 1B. C. Are you employed as paid legal practitioner on behalf of or against the Waqf? Section 64 1F. D. Have you failed without reasonable excuse to maintain regular accounts for 2 consecutive years or failed to submit in 2 consecutive years the yearly statement of accounts as required by subsection 2 of Section 46, Section 61, 1A 4. E. Have you been convicted of any offence and sentenced to imprisonment of less than 2 years? F. Have you been held guilty of encroachment on any Waqf property? G. Have you been, on a previous occasion, removed as a mutawalli? Section 50A F 1 2. H. Have you been, on a previous occasion, removed by an order of a competent court or tribunal or board from any position of trust, either for mismanagement or for corruption? Section 50A F 1 2. I. Are you part of any lawful organization under UAPA? Section 64 1I. After carefully answering all the above questions, click on the checkbox to accept the declaration. Click on Preview button to preview the details, and after that, click on Submit button to submit the details. When you click on Submit, a new pop-up will appear for final submission confirmation. Click on Yes to proceed and No Cancel to cancel the process. After the process, you will be redirected to upload existing registered Waqf page. Click on the icon to see page of listed property. Here, you can see the list of uploaded registered Waqf. Congratulations! You have successfully registered your Waqf property on the Central UMEED Portal. Stay tuned for more such informative videos.
अल्पसंख्यक कार्य मंत्रालय, भागीदारी से भाग्योदय।